For today, let's look at this algebraic question from 2022 Math Counts. This question is not difficult and suitable for beginners. The main idea that we use here is factorization. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
So, from m squared plus 14m minus 32 equals to 3 to the power n. Now, note that there's interesting fact about 14 and 32. Because 16 times 2 is 32 and 16 minus 2 equals to 14. So this suggests that this can be factorized as m plus 16 m minus 2 equals to 3 power n. And for 3 power n, we can write as 3 power a, 3 power b, where a greater than b. Now it's obvious that m plus 16 is greater than m minus 2. So we should choose m plus 16 equals to 3 power a, m minus 2 equals to 3 power b. So if we take the difference of these two equations, then we have 18 equals to 3a minus 3b. And 18 itself is equal to 9 times 2. 9 is 3 squared. And this can be written as 3b because b is smaller. And this is minus 1. And this is 3a minus b. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Now obviously, here we do not have a factor of 3 anymore. So meaning that it must be equals to 2. And 3 power 2 equals 3 power b. And therefore, b equals to 2. And 3 power a minus b minus 1 has to be equals to 2. So it means that this will be 3 a minus b has to be equals to 3 power 1. So a minus 2 equals to 1. A equals to 3. So far we have b equals to 2, a equals to 3. And from here then we know that actually n equals to a plus b. So n will be equals to 2 plus 3, that is equals to a 5. We need to solve for m and n. So after we have n equals to 5, we need to find what is the value of m. And we can get actually from either of these equation. Let's say we get the m from here. A equals to 3, this will mean that this is 27. And therefore, m will equal to 27 minus 16, that is 11. So now we have m equals to 11 and n equals to 5. That's all for today's discussion. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.